Karen Nyamu has taken to her social media pages to celebrate the father of her kids, both Samidoh and also the father of her firstborn daughter. And she shared this wonderful Father's Day message to them saying, "Today is Father's Day, and even though I'm not married yet, my babies are lucky as can be to have the most loving, most generous, most unproblematic dads. Thanks for loving my babies. Thanks for being there. You are appreciated. And what you do, no one else can do. I pray that you be so successful and wealthy so that Karen Nyamu ashindange Maldives kupeleka watoto in quotes. Happy Father's Day." And then she has shared a couple of photos of both daddies spending time with their kids. Samidoh spending quality time with their son, and also her firstborn daughter spending time with her father. And also she has finally unveiled the face of baby Wairimu. Here she is. Before she had only shared a photo showing us the baby's side face, but now we have a full face. And her fans have totally applauded her for that Father's Day message to both her baby daddies.